Good evening, Brother Adam. This is David Fajardo from Honduras. It is a pleasure for me to inform you that finally I did understand a little bit about the JavaScript file or program, how to make it possible or to make more responsive, how to make the hamburger menu or button work or display in the screen the options. It was tough for me. I watched many videos. I studied many programs. I did practice also in Visual Basic, in the code Visual Basic, and I did a lot of programs, and I did practice many times for many days, probably more than a week. I'm sorry for my lack of skills in understanding this, but I found many errors also in the ones who were trying to explain to me. That's why I didn't get the idea, but finally I did. Look here in my chamber menu, here it is, and finally when I show it into the mobile view, it appears the hamburger 5 icon. I did this one with 5 icon, and it is possible now, but look, my question is that I have to click twice. I don't know why. There are many questions that I don't have the answers for the moment. Look, finally when I clicked on this, I know that there is another possibility that is to change this kind of pointer. I would like to do that. Instead of this circle, I would like that this appears like a finger or something like that, like a hand. Look, let me see. Here appears another problem. Look, when I go, look, when I'm wider this one, it does appear that line instead of the menu, and I have to refresh it to finally this one appear. That is something that I don't like. I don't like it. Let me look twice. Again. Let me see if it happens. Then look, when I am wider this, look, it appears this line here instead of let me see if I close these tools. Neither. I have to refresh it so it appears again. I don't know what is happening. Probably you can, for sure you can help me how to fix this problem. I have here the code, and I used to work with two windows. Let me see if I can. Here I have the code. Here is I have the script. Look, I don't know why it doesn't work in the way that I would like. Finally, here it is. In the index, here it is. In the, let me see the division. What is it? Where is here. The toggle meaning here, the bottom. Here in the bottom, I work with onClick. This is the one that I understood. There are some other ones, but I understood this one. For me, it is understandable that when I click this nav link, I can send it to the toggle function. In JavaScript, toggle function here I created a variable called element. This element, I use query selector, and the nav link, that is the nav link in the HTML. Let me see here, if you can see here the nav link. Here it is. Look, is the unordered list, which has a class of nav link. That was the other problem that I had. I didn't know how to make it possible to hide, this nav link, but finally I did it. And I used this if and then, okay, logic syntax. If the element style display, this one is in the CSS, in the, let me see, where is it? Okay, in the base, which is the mobile view. If this one displays, okay, none, then this one display the block, okay, display the, okay, the options of the menu. Otherwise, it's going to display none. This reduce script was so hard for me to find it. I did it, but I still have the problem that I show you. That is when I clicked on the hamburger icon. Eventually, when I'm enlarging the screen, it does not appear. It does not appear the menu with the options, but instead I must refresh to appear. Please help me to solve that problem. Here is the base. Look. The other thing that I understood is this query, the media query. I understood. I didn't get this idea. It was tough for me to get it, but I found it. I here, look, I use 480. Probably here is the problem. I don't know why. Here is 480, and in the larger, there is one. Let me see if I find it. If I can find a query here. I use a query here. Look, I use a query for this navigation container to not display, let me see, where is it? Navigation container, navigation, here, look. Display grid, but there was another one. I did it probably in the other one. This here. Display, this type none. Text decoration none. Okay, I did it in the other one. Okay, here it is. Navigation container image. Display none. This one, I did it here. I didn't understand this concept, but I had to try until finally I understood. Okay, I hope you're going to enjoy the conference, the messages from the prophets. Excuse me, really, excuse me for my delays, for my lack of understanding. It was tough for me, but I'm enjoying it. I feel very happy to finally have this. Let me see if I can put here the inspect. This one for me was a tremendous success. This menu here, I am feeling so happy, because this size also of the hamburger, it was very small, very little, and I found that using adjusting the font size, it is possible to enlarge it. Okay, this is a problem that